Guess what we're doing? It's giveaway time!
It's like a big giveaway.
Oh, okay. I guess we should look at all of that stuff, shouldn't we?
I see you're just going to put yourself on the camera.
Ta-da! It's the PACKOUT Princess channel! Forget JakeOfALL.
All of a sudden, subscribers triple.
Nah, they would laugh at me if I did stuff. I mean, they do sometimes, but... So what are we doing? Okay, so we're giving it away. We're giving it all away.
We literally have the worst ADHD when it comes to focusing. But between me getting food poisoning and whatever this week, it's not another Stack Smarter. But I think this one's better.
It's better.
And it's no offense to Stack Smarter, right?
No, we love him.
But we would have to do a lot more work.
Yeah, and we're lazy.
And this was...
And sick.
And sick. And we were...
Sick and lazy.
Sick and lazy. And lazy of being sick.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
So we have been meaning to do this 55K giveaway. And I know.
Since wasn't it supposed to be a 50K giveaway?
Maybe.
So now it's a 55,
and you're all gonna,
58.
They're all going to be like looking, like go look over, and you're going to see this thing where it says YouTube, JakeOfALL subscribers 30 something. That's because it's on Instagram, but I want you all to know to go over to Instagram. So I'm going to put that at the beginning and I'm going to put it at the end. Okay. This is an Instagram giveaway.
Instagram giveaway. Woo!
I feel like you should have these.
I know. Woo!
Okay. So, you're not going to win in this video.
Nope. They can win something.
Maybe.
Maybe later on we'll give something.
Okay.
Away.
But I wanted you to see all of this because this format, and now there'll be a link at the top where you're just going to click that little thing and go over it. But this also gives you guys a great idea to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff.
Because, you know, we do give stuff away on here, but you guys don't ever claim it.
I was going to say, that is like your number one pet peeve.
We give it away. We give lots of stuff away, just don't claim it.
So, heck, if you think you haven't claimed something, go back and watch all our videos and then email us winnings@jakeofall.com.
Or winners@jakeofall.com.
If you're the actual winner. So, let's get on to this one.
Okay, so which place are we going to start with?
I think we should start with number one.
No, I think we should start with the third place.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go over
to third place. I feel like, because then it like builds the suspense of what they're going to get for first place.
I did the tongue thing.
That's my job. That's my job. Okay. So we're paying.
Okay. So Instagram, right? Go below.
I'm just going to stand
Go
here.
to the link. So we've got a bunch of... Oh, I left my sponsor list.
Oh, wait. I'll get it.
So I got a bunch of sponsors, and we love y'all, and we love our sponsors, and we love everyone that either supports us or that we promote because we love their stuff. So we reached out to some reached out to us, and we got a bunch of stuff.
Can I list them off and then we can go through? Okay, here we go. Ready?
Show stuff. What you list?
No, I'm just gonna list it all off, and then we can. Okay, ready? Oregon Thread It, Cooper Customs, Milwaukee Tool Attic, No Holster, Brunt Workwear, JDS Customs, Dennis Smallbone Prints, KCI, Kaizen Canada to be exact, Stud Buddy, Mancrafted, 10-Spot Tools, and us, JakeOfALL PACKOUT Princess.
They're gonna win us.
That's a different.
That's like a
That's a different video.
Oh. All right.
Okay. All right. So let's start with Oregon Thread It because he's the top on my phone.
Okay, Oregon Thread It. If you don't know, Oregon Thread It, and we won't go into detail on each one. We'll just show you what you're gonna get, right? So I won't tell you what this does twice.
Well, we could go over it one time.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So bit pulls and push rods. So this is threaded. You screw this onto a piece of coax. You're pushing it up into an attic. You go up in the attic. It glows. It's bright. Da da da. It doesn't really glow. It's bright. Okay. Also, double-ended. Huh. Right. So if you have an old wire on the wall and a new wire, screw it onto here. Pull it through. Or if you have a set of glow rods, fish sticks, whatever, you've got a fish stick glow rod adapter to thread it.
We're going fishing.
Oregon Thread It.
Okay, Oregon Thread It. All right.
3 of them.
Cooper Customs.
Cooper Customs.
Paper.
It's in a picture. He is teaming up with Milwaukee Tool Attic because they're both in Canada, so they're going to ship it directly. So the Cooper Custom is the little bracket.
Yep. All right. No holster.
No holster. Dude, super awesome.
Here, let me show it.
It's actually on one of my drills if you wanted to grab it. It's right in front of you. But the no holster is a pretty nice advanced little holster that has bit holders and it clips onto stuff and it won't fall. So you're going to get a no holster.
Okay. And we're going on to JDS.
JDS. So we've got, and JDS stuff, warning on all this, he is contributing a bunch more, but the package hasn't shown up yet. But you're at least going to get this, which is a true...
Something like it, right?
Something like this. Yes, thank you.
This, or it'll be something similar to this that he will be sending.
He has battery brackets, tool holders, things like that. So you trust me, you're going to get better than whatever we should.
Okay, Dennis Smallbone.
Dennis Smallbone. He's going to get the 5 slot, which is 1 charger. Okay? And 4 battery that I custom hydro dipped. Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop. Okay.
All right.
KCI Kaizen Canada.
Kaizen. So everybody's getting the same pack from Kaizen Canada, which is a standard profile.
Yeah, you can
double,
see it from there.
Right, left and right side.
Yep.
And then a standard profile half width and a low profile half width.
Cool. All right, Stud Buddy.
Stud Buddy. You're getting a cozy because you're third place.
Third place. Sorry. All right, Mancrafted.
Mancrafted. You're going to get a Shockwave case holder.
All right, 10 spot tools.
10 spot tools. Everyone on 10 spot's getting the same thing, but you are getting red on black, which this is the install driver holder that has a provision for the Jake stand. Super awesome. We like Jake stands. You got a place for your for your heads, and a place for the tool, and a place for your bits.
All right, JakeOfALL and PACKOUT Princess.
Okay, so show them the stickers. Let's start with stickers.
Okay. Oh yeah, did you guys see our new stickers?
They are now.
Well, they are now.
Because if you like packouts, then you must be
Pack rat. Look, see all these stickers
right,
you guys
rock out with your pack out.
That's right.
Yes.
Okay. What else are they getting from us?
The Milwaukee 4832 2390 right angle drill bit you say adapter. Driver, whatever.
Impact right angle adapter. All right, what else?
Yes.
What are these for?
Low profile center bins.
Yep. What else? And the
a M18 fan power adapter holder.
Whoop whoop.
And actually stickers from Milwaukee Tool Attic and
10 spot tools. Well, they're also giving away.
And Milwaukee Tool Attic.
Okay, so that's third place.
Yes. All right. Let's go over to second and first.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, my hair's... Look, this little piece came out again.
We're trying to do it in one cut, people, so, bear with us.
Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, I gotta grab my paper again.
Okay.
Okay, so second place.
Second, should I just start by, grabbing stuff and showing
No, I'm gonna go over it again.
Okay.
We're gonna do Oregon Thread It.
Oregon Thread It, okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta fix this because it's not...
It's
over too much. I gotta fix this. Sorry, guys. There we go. Okay. And you gotta hold it up, and you guys might have to zoom in on your phone to see this stuff.
Oregon Thread It. They're gonna get a long rod.
Yep. Long and short.
Long and short. And then, so it's a 4-piece set.
Okay.
Yep. Next.
Cooper Customs.
Cooper
Milwaukee
Customs.
Tool Addict. Or this one's just Milwaukee
This
Tool
one's
Addict.
just Milwaukee Tool Addict. So you're gonna get the hat.
And some
And
stickers.
the stickers.
I feel like they're super far away, so they can't see all this stuff.
Sorry for the paper, but
It's getting shipped directly by him, so.
Next.
All right. No holster.
No holster. Same thing. Boom.
Okay. We're JDS.
JDS. Well, yeah. Brackets.
Similar.
Yep.
Might not be that exact same thing. Dennis Smallbone Prince.
Dennis Smallbones. Now this one is the little 3-spot caddy that's been hydro dipped. Holds the batteries.
See? Whoop. Okay. Who else we got? KCI Kaizen Canada. Same thing
Same
as
3-piece set.
the third place.
3 gifts.
All right, Stud Buddy.
Stud Buddy. You're getting the small Stud Buddy.
And not a cozy. You're actually winning something. That's cozy. Okay. Mancrafted.
Mancrafted. You're getting a 1st gen M18 fan bracket.
Awesome.
Holder.
10 spot tools.
10 spot tools. Same thing.
Except for it's...
Red on white.
Yep. Or is that gray? I can't tell. I'm gray. Yeah, sure, whatever. And us.
Okay, us. All right, so same stickers.
Stickers. And
Double
you're getting
decker.
That's not what we call it.
This is bunk pin. You're right. The bunk pin. Red and
Sorry
black.
about him.
Sorry, I've been drinking.
And what else we got?
We got a set of standard profile square 4-way divided bins in some super cool colors.
And what else?
Right angle.
Okay. And that's it for second place.
That's it. Yes.
Okay. Now for first place.
They get you.
That's a different. Like I said, that's a different one.
100,000 K get one.
Okay, Oregon Thread It.
Oregon Thread It. You're getting all 3 rods. Small, baby bear, mama bear, and papa bear.
Yep.
Along with the double endeds and all that good fun stuff.
Okay, Cooper Customs.
Cooper
and
Customs.
Milwaukee Tool Attic.
So, yeah, you show them. They're going to actually get everything in that photo except for his workbench.
Yeah. And stop stealing his pictures. people.
Scammers.
Not necessarily you guys, but there are people out there who do. Okay, and no holster.
No holster, same exact one.
Awesome. And this one has Brunt workwear in it.
Oh, you're throwing Brunt out now?
I'm throwing Brunt into the grand prize.
They're
not just getting a sticker. What are they getting?
You're going to get to pick out yourself a pair of boots.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Thank you, Brunt.
Their boots are really good.
We all have some.
Okay, JDS.
JDS. So, more brackets. Again.
Might not necessarily be the same one.
It'll be at least that or better.
Okay, Dennis Smallbone.
Dennis Smallbone. They're getting another 3 spot.
Yep.
Not 10 spot.
And Kaizen.
Kaizen, the 4-piece set.
4-piece set. And Stud Buddy.
Stud Buddy, you're getting cozy. And the XL. Or the
Stud Finder and
plus.
the level. Yeah, Stud Finder plus level. Okay, great. Mancrafted.
Mancrafted.
What are they getting this time?
Okay, they're going to get the 3-piece shockwave set.
Ooh.
Small, medium, and large. Or Mama Bear Pop-Up. And one of the blower holders.
Okay.
So it's
10 spot tools. I'm not going to fit on that.
No, okay.
10 spot tools, so the same.
3-piece. Sorry.
You got 3 on
Black and white.
Black and white. That one is white. I think that one's gray.
Yeah. I mean, I like 3 ways.
Okay, and us.
That's different 3. Oh, okay. So, you're getting a standout.
Yep.
Another cozy. 2 of the squares. 1 of the double
bunk
bins. She's stickers. We're throwing in a set of stealth mount cleats courtesy of us because we're taking these from our inventory. And then some tape measure clips or drill clips. An actual double decker.
Yes, that
but
one.
This one
it's black and red.
Is black and red. And black and red center cups.
And
oh yeah. Boom. That knife that they've been showing that has the bit holder, screwdriver. Good Lord, there it is. And it's of course a knife and the right angle.
There you go.
So that's it, right?
That's everything.
So first, second, third.
Yep. So
you head over to Instagram.
Yes. What do they have to do to win it on
Well, it's
Instagram?
going to be a reel.
Okay.
And you're going to have to follow all of these people.
Woo! That's here. Look, I'll even hold this list up for you, and he'll list all these people.
You can follow them.
Yep. You have to follow all of these guys because if you don't follow one of them, you don't get entered into it. I don't play games.
And then they're going to need to comment on the post.
Okay.
What kind of content they want to see coming up this year.
Okay.
And tag at least 2 people.
Okay, so they've got to follow everybody. They got to comment what they want to see new video-wise, and they have to tag 2 people. And this is all on Instagram under and there'll be a link.
At the JakeOfALL.
At the JakeOfALL.
Right, so you can't win.
Hey, does that mean they get to follow me too?
Yeah.
Woo! I get followers now.
You can't win anything on this video. Sorry.
No. Well, no way, that's not true.
Oh, they can?
Well, we didn't do Stack Smarter stuff, so we were talking about new stickers, right?
Oh, okay.
So, look, I got this roll of stickers because I'm cheap, so I buy them in bulk. I got this roll of stickers. I will give, how many did we say? 4? Let's say 4. 4 stickers away?
4 stickers.
We'll give 4, and we'll throw some of our normal JakeOfALL PACKOUT Princess ones in.
Okay.
What do you want them to do in order to win these stickers?
I guess similar things. Like, you should follow us.
Yep.
And you can't obviously tag people in the videos as easily.
I want to hear where you guys are from. How about that?
Okay.
Put down either what state or what country you guys are from, and I'll pick 4 winners on next Friday's video.
All right. So that we're going to commit to next Fridays.
Yes.
We've been pretty bad. Sorry, Mondays and all that, but being sick.
But. So, okay. Is there anything else? I mean, we have to put all this stuff in boxes now.
Yeah, we got to pack all this up and
it's getting hot.
Instagram reel.
I should turn the
mini fan on.
Beep. All right. Well, that's it.
It's OnlyFans.
It's time. That's a different channel.
All right. That's it.
Okay, it's time to pack up.
See you.
Okay, great. Bye.